Hi guys, in today's video we will be going through the Key Stage 2 SATs reasoning paper. Question 1. Here is a triangle on a grid. Draw the reflection of the triangle in the mirror line. Use a ruler. You can use a mirror, but you do not have to. I will not be using a mirror, so this is the method for answering this question without using a mirror. So first we need to work out how many squares away this point is from the mirror line. 1, 2. This point is 2 squares away from the mirror line. So we will do 1, 2. So our point will be here, 2 squares away from the mirror line. This point is 1, 2, 3 squares away from this point, so we'll do the same here. We will draw a point here, and then this point is 1, 2, 3, 4 squares away from the mirror line, and we'll do the same here. We will draw a point here, and then you have to connect the points together by using a ruler. I won't be doing it very neatly as it will be very time consuming because it's very hard on an iPad. Question 2. This table shows the cost of a fruit at a school cafeteria. Amir buys 2 pieces of fruit. He pays with a £2 coin. He gets £1.50 change. Take the 2 pieces of fruit that Amir buys. So we will have to work out how much money he used to buy 2 fruits. So we'll do 2 minus 1.50. So 0 take away 0 is 0. We can't do 0 take away 5. So we change the 2 into a 1 and add a 1 here. 10 take away 5 equals 5. And 1 take away 1 equals 0. So he used 50p to buy the fruits. So this will be a trial and error. So let's try the banana and plum first. So we'll do 12 add 23. 2 add 3 is 5, and 1 add 2 is 3. So this does not equal 50p, so it cannot be the banana and the plum. Could it be the banana and apple? Let's try that. So let's do 12 add 32. 2 add 2 is 4. 1 add 3 is 4. So it is not the banana and the apple. Let's try the banana and pear. So we do 12 add 38. 2 add 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 add 3 is 4. Add the 1 equals 5. This equals to 50p. So our answer is the banana and the pear. Remember to tick both of those, otherwise you will not get the mark. Question 3. Layla plays basketball. This graph shows how many points she scored in her first 3 games. After 4 games, Layla had scored a total of 25 points. Complete the graph. Use a ruler. So we know that after 4 games, she had scored a total of 25 points. So we need to add up the points of the first 3 games that he scored. So the line is in between 6 and 8. He had scored 7 in game 1. This line is between 4 and 6. So he had scored 5 points because 5 is between 4 and 6. And this is on the line. So we know he has scored 10 points for this game. 10 add 5 equals 5. 10 add 5 equals 15, and 15 add 7 equals 22. So now we do 25 take away 22, which equals 3. So he had scored 3 points in game 4. You do not need to shade it after you've drawn it. If you've drawn it correctly like me, you will achieve 1 mark. Question 4. The numbers in this sequence increase by the same amount each time. Write the missing numbers. So we have 2 numbers here that are not missing, so we can work out the difference between 1 and 7. 7 take away 1 equals 6. So the sequence is going up in 6. So we do negative 11 add 6, which equals negative 5. And we do 7 add 6, which equals 13. So our missing numbers are negative 5 and 13. Question 5. Write the 3 missing digits to make this multiplication correct. So we know that they've carried a 1 over because there's a 3 here and the answer, and there's a number under here which is 2, and 3 is greater than 2. So they must have carried 1 over. So if they carried a 1 over, then this would have been a 12. And 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So our missing number here is 4. So 5 times 3 equals 15. Add the 1 we carried over equals 16. So you carry a 1 over here. So we know that this was from adding the 1. So we take away 1. So we take away 1 from 7, which equals 6. And 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So our missing numbers are 2, 4, and 6. Question 6. Olivia is thinking of a number. My number is greater than 236, is less than 25, has a 3 in the tens place, is an even number. What number is Olivia thinking of? So we know that her number is greater than 236, but less than 245. So let's write all of the numbers that are greater than 206 and less than 245. It has a 3 in the tens place. So this is the tens place. So this number has a 3 in the tens place, but this number does not. So let's cross all of the numbers that do not have a 3 in the tens place. It is an even number. So the ones place has to be a multiple of 2. 7 is not a multiple of 2, so let's cross that out. And it's the same as 239. Our remaining number is 238. So our answer to this question is 238. Question 7. A box holds 40 packets of envelopes. Each packet holds 25 envelopes. How many envelopes does the box hold? So let's work. So we know that the box holds 40 packets and each packet holds 25 envelopes. So let's do 25 times 40, which equals to 1,000. If that seems like too much for you. Then you can do 25 times 4 first, which equals 100, and then times it by 10, which equals 1,000. So our answer to this question is 1,000. Question 8. Write a whole number in each box to make the statements correct. One has been done for you. So in each box, we need to write a number that rounds to the nearest 1,000 or 10,000. So let's start with this one. So a number here has rounded to the nearest 1,000 has to be 4,000. So it can be anything in the 3,500 range to the 4,499 range. So let's do, for example, 4,219. And for the 10,000s, it has to be this, it's this digit. So it can be a number from 815,000 to 824,999. So it could be, for example, 818,762. Question 9. Two of these calculations have the same answer. Write this answer as a decimal. So let's work all of these out first. 4 divided by 10, we're moving the digits to the right. So we do place value, decimal point. So let's move it to the right. So our answer to this is 0.4. 4 divided by 1,000, we're moving the digits to the right 2 places. So we move this one more place and this number one more place. So our answer to this is 0.04. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. And 40 divided by 100 equals 0.4. So these two are the same. So our answer to this question is 0.4. Question 10. Circle the two prime numbers that have a difference of 2. So let's work out all of the prime numbers first. So 15 and 25 are not prime numbers because they have more than 2 factors because they are in the 5 times tables. 21 is also not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors and it is in the 3 times tables. By the way, a prime number has 2 factors, one and itself. So these 3 numbers are prime numbers. These 2 numbers have a difference of 2. So we circle these 2. That's it for today's video.